Alright, y'all. Let's do something simple and easy. A little one-pot dinner. We are doing a cheeseburger soup. For this, we got some ground beef. Got about half a pound to a pound. We got some cheddar cheese, some flour, some beef broth, some dried basil, some dried parsley, onion, fresh green onion, some sour cream, some taters, and we got some milk. But before we get to cooking, we're on the road to 1,000 subscribers, so if you want to learn a new recipe every week, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, and let's get to cooking. Alright, y'all. First things first, we're going to start by dicing our onion. Then we've gone ahead, washed our potatoes. We're going to go ahead and dice these up as well. We want 4 cups of diced potato. Alright, once we have our onion and our 4 cups of diced potatoes, we're going to move over to the stove. Alright, y'all, we're going to take just a splash of olive oil. Just a splash. We're going to put this on a medium-high heat. We're going to go ahead and drop in our onion. We're going to start sauteing this up. Alright, once those onions begin to soften up and get a little more transparent, we're going to go ahead and drop in our ground beef. I got about a pound of it. Now we're going to go ahead and let this cook until those onions are caramelized and this ground beef is cooked. So now, once we have our ground beef cooked, and our onions are to where we would like them, that's up to you, chef's choice. I have 4 cups of beef broth going in the pot. And then I have a cup and a half of our milk also going in the pot. Now we're going to bring this up to a boil. And while that's starting to heat up, we're going to take a teaspoon of our basil. We're going to use a teaspoon of our parsley. Give that a healthy stir. Once it comes up to a boil, we're going to go ahead and add in our 4 cups of diced potatoes. We're going to let this cook until those potatoes are done. About 10 to 15 minutes, depending on how big you cut your potatoes. Alright, y'all, we got about 4 tablespoons of flour. We're going to go ahead and take 4 tablespoons of cold water as well. Get that mixed together well. Then we're going to get that mixed in. Then we're going to take 1 8-ounce thing of cream, sour cream. Dump that in. We're going to get that melted. Then we're going to go ahead and slowly mix in about 3 cups of our cheddar cheese. If you go slower, it will melt more smoothly. And then we're going to let this simmer until it gets to the desired thickness. And then we'll be ready to serve it up. Alright, once it gets where you want it, we've gone ahead, chopped up our green onion. We're just going to go ahead and drop that in. Give it a mix around. Get a bowl. Get this served up. Alright, y'all, and there you have it. Cheeseburger soup. If you like this video, go ahead, hit that like and subscribe button down below. There is a video over here that YouTube thinks you should watch. And until next time, keep on cooking on.